Hi everybody, my name is Simon and I've known Dan for around about 15 years. We actually met when we both worked in London. We were both traders. We used to trade Euribor, LIBOR futures, also some oil spreads. So we've got quite a lot of history together. I actually got into cryptocurrency around about the same time as Dan back in 2018. We came up with some strategies together, worked together. We actually got involved in some projects pretty early on that Dan mentioned to me that turned out to be very successful. So I've always known Dan to be very, very helpful, very honest, very upfront, and also a great teacher and obviously a great running mate really within the crypto space. Someone that is always coming up with a lot of very, very good ideas to make money. Most recently, I know that Dan has been airdrop farming. It's something that he's actually helped teach me and get me into, because previously I was just trading cryptos against each other, not actually doing anything on the airdrop side or the DeFi side. And these are areas that Dan has really, really helped me with. I've actually been able to make some pretty good money out of crypto using some of the strategies and techniques that Dan has showed me. And now I am airdrop farming for multiple airdrops based on the advice of Dan, and it's going very well. And I highly recommend speaking with him because he has a lot of knowledge, and I really think that he's made a big difference to me, and I'm sure he can make a big difference to you too.